Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2016 Mercedes-Benz C43 AMG. So from any screen, so we're in Navi there, over to telephone, click the telephone button, and it's already on connect device there. But if it's not, if it's on options for any reason, just turn the selector to connect device, click connect device, and then you've got search for phones at the top. So it's on search for phones, search via telephone, but we're going to search from the car system. So click that, we just nip over to here. We're watching out for Bluetooth. Before starting the search, ensure that your phone is switched on. So it is. We now have to click start search. Search for phones, or cancel search there. So I'm watching out at the bottom. Usually takes a little bit longer because I've just deleted this phone from here. But there you go, Barry's iPhone 13 Pro is found. It's selected it itself. If I over here, if you knock over here, the selector over there, authorize, or if you just click on that, passkey. Does the passkey match? Yes, it does. Pair. Oh, sorry, it's not touchscreen. Yes. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow. So that's all. It's already connected to the phone, and now it's connected to the car. So if we just go look along here, Mercedes-Benz Bluetooth connected. So that's it done. Radio just came on, frightened me to death there.